Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 17th, 2022. We got a few inches of snow last night. This is lake effect snow here in central New York, where the cold air from up north comes across the warm body of water over Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, and they deposit snow. We didn't get that much. We probably got just a few inches. Yesterday we did the same thing. Temperature is about 33 degrees, so things are going to melt pretty quickly. Our area has a power outage now. We had an internet outage out before that, and but we've got the generator, and I just the internet outage with Starlink was just a brief period of time. But one of the things I've got to do, I'm going to take a little bit easy today because I've been working outdoors and in the shop here, trying to make room for all the equipment and get things settled and get ready for winter here. But I went down and opened up one of the spillways where the beaver had put a little blockade, and I wanted to go out and check on that this morning. But one of the things that's so beautiful when we have this heavy, wet lake effect snow is first we have all those beautiful fall colors, then we have all this laden white snow that just covers all the limbs of everything. When I came out earlier this morning, one big limb on our sweet gum snapped off, and we have a couple limbs came off of one of the maples, so it's a little bit dangerous down in the forest. I won't be going into the forest. I'll be just going around some of the perimeter on the roadways, but I thought I'd just take you along with me so you can see the snow and what we've got going on here. I've got Pepe warming up right now, so here we go. This drainage spillway is doing very well. It's not too deep. Last year I had it a little bit too deep, and then I rebuilt this roadway here. So this is widened out, and so this is real good. Up ahead is where the beaver had built a little barricade for me. Lots of footprints there. It's our winter wonderland here. So this is the lower beaver pond here, the lower beaver dam. And this is the area that the beaver had built this up right here, and I took that and put it over to the side over there. This is a lower beaver dam access road here. This is the canal system over here that I put in. The new ponds will go over there. The new roads are already started over there. This road we've had for a while. I love it down here. So let's go ahead and go a little bit further. So this is lake effect snow here in snow country in central New York. Those of you who are now in the warmer climates that lived up here in central New York, do you miss it? I'm sure nobody misses driving in this weather. That's one of the biggest hassles is getting people getting their used to driving on the roads again after a long summer and all. So let's go ahead and see what we got up ahead here. The spillways from the upper beaver pond, where there were lots of footprints down here. This area has lots of activity last night. And this is part of the new road that I put in this summer, spring and summer. I lived for the snow days. I meant no school. This is one of the natural spillways here that I've got to work on within the next couple of years. But as we talked about before, the beaver dams are porous, so they're not completely sealed, and so the water runs through them, and it feeds the beaver ponds downstream. We'll go across a roadway that goes across the upper beaver pond. That's where we have the trail camera for watching the beaver cross at the beaver crossing. Checking on the spillways, that allows me to make sure that there's less of a chance that we'll have a washout later on. Controlling the height of the beaver dam that they put next to the spillway allows me to reduce the chances of a big washout when I can't get down here because the snow gets several feet deep. Able to mix up the leaf material that was left over with the compost. I think it was the day before yesterday, and that's that pile right there. And here's pond 7 right here. This is the one I've been working on. It's got a long ways to come up, but with the snow melting and all, with the snow melting here bit by bit, that will gradually start to pick up, because once pond 5 gets filled up, which is getting some water in it now, it's been dry for a long time, but once pond 5 gets filled up, that'll fill into 6, and then 6 will spill right in here into 7. So that's cool. Yeah, it's snowing out here. Here, the wind chill does affect you a little bit. Well, now I see there's stuff all over the lens. So now I'm thinking about heading in and starting a fire. And maybe come out here in this afternoon and do the work in the shop that I need to finish up out here. So just thought I'd take you around down and back. I had to check on the spillways, and I hope you folks stay safe and you get a little sense of the Great White North up here. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.